Welcome to our channel. If you want to log into your Wells Fargo account to manage your banking needs online, follow these step-by-step instructions for secure access. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the Wells Fargo official website at wellsfargo.com. Step 2. Click the Sign On button located in the top right corner of the homepage. Step 3. Enter your username in the designated field. If you have not enrolled in online banking, click Enroll Now to create your credentials. Step 4. Click Next, and then enter your password in the Secure Password field. Step 5. Complete any additional security verification, such as answering security questions or entering a verification code sent to your registered phone or email. Step 6. Click Sign On to access your account dashboard, where you can view balances, transaction history, and account details. Step 7. If you encounter login issues, use the Forgot Username Password links to recover your credentials through identity verification. Step 8. Once logged in, you can perform various banking tasks, including transferring funds, paying bills, viewing statements, and managing account settings. Remember to log out when finished, especially on shared devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.